if I told you there's a motorhome so powerful, so overbuilt, and so outrageous? It looks like it belongs in a military convoy, not a campground. 6 wheels, armored body, massive ground clearance, and enough presence to make every other RV look like a toy. This is the 2026 GMC 6.6 Armored Motorhome, and it might just be the most insane heavy-duty motorhome ever built. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Silent Speed. Today, we're diving into a machine that completely redefines what a luxury RV can be. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a fortress on wheels, built for extreme terrain, ultimate comfort, and people who want to explore without limits. From the very first glance, the exterior design makes one thing clear. This vehicle means business. Built on a heavy-duty GMC commercial-grade chassis, the 6x6 configuration gives it an aggressive, unstoppable stance. The armored body panels aren't just for show. They add durability and protection, giving this motorhome a tactical, expedition-ready vibe. Massive all-terrain tires, reinforced suspension, skid plates, LED light bars, and a commanding ride height make it look ready for deserts, mountains, or even remote Arctic routes. It's bold, industrial, and unapologetically powerful. Step inside, and the story completely changes, in the best way possible. Instead of rugged military vibes, you're welcomed into a high-end luxury suite. The interior space is massive, thanks to slide-outs and smart layout design. Premium leather seating, hardwood-style flooring, ambient lighting, and soft-touch materials transform this beast into a 5-star hotel on wheels. The living area features a large smart TV, a fully equipped kitchen with induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, and even solid surface countertops. There's a spacious bedroom with a queen or king-size bed, overhead storage, and a private bathroom with a full shower. It feels more like a luxury apartment than a motorhome. Comfort and storage are seriously impressive. With multiple overhead cabinets, underbed storage, exterior compartments, and modular shelving, long trips become stress-free. Climate control systems keep the cabin comfortable in extreme heat or freezing conditions. Insulation is upgraded for all-weather travel, and the soundproofing makes highway driving surprisingly quiet for something this size. Now let's talk features and tech. You're getting a full digital driver display, advanced navigation systems, multiple camera angles for 360-degree visibility, satellite connectivity options, solar charging panels, large battery banks, and a powerful onboard generator. Safety systems include lane assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and heavy-duty air braking systems. This isn't just a camper, it's a technologically advanced command center. Under the hood, expect a heavy-duty turbo diesel engine, likely in the range of 6.6 to 7 liters, producing massive torque designed to move serious weight. With the 6x6 drivetrain, power is distributed across 3 axles for maximum traction. Whether you're climbing steep trails or hauling equipment, this machine delivers unstoppable performance. Towing capacity is impressive, and off-road articulation makes it far more capable than traditional RVs. When it comes to price, this level of engineering and luxury doesn't come cheap. The estimated price range for a 2026 GMC 6x6 Armored Motorhome could start around $500,000 and climb well beyond $800,000 depending on customization. This is clearly a premium, niche vehicle built for serious buyers. Fuel consumption? Let's be realistic. With a massive diesel engine and armored weight, you're likely looking at around 6 to 10 miles per gallon depending on terrain and load. It's not built for fuel economy, it's built for capability. In real-world usability, this motorhome shines for off-grid adventures. With large water tanks, solar power support, and rugged construction, it's ideal for long-distance overlanding, remote exploration, and even security-focused travel. However, its sheer size means tight city streets and small campgrounds may be challenging. Pros: extreme durability, unmatched road presence, off-road capability, luxury interior, and serious towing power. Cons: high price, heavy fuel consumption, large size, and limited accessibility in smaller spaces. So who is this vehicle best for? It's perfect for adventurers who refuse to compromise, overlanders, extreme travelers, high net worth explorers, or even security-conscious buyers who want both protection and luxury. This isn't for casual weekend camping. It's for people who want to travel anywhere, anytime, without limits. What truly makes the 2026 GMC 6X6 Armored Motorhome stand out is how it blends military-grade toughness with luxury comfort. Most RVs focus on either comfort or capability, rarely both. Here, you get armored protection, six-wheel traction, commercial-grade durability, and at the same time, premium living space that rivals upscale condos. The practicality lies in its independence: solar charging, off-grid systems, massive storage, and all-weather reliability. The value isn't about fuel savings, it's about freedom. The driving experience is commanding and elevated, giving you total control and confidence no matter the terrain. And the uniqueness? There are very few vehicles on Earth that look and perform like this. In conclusion, the 2026 GMC 6 Armored Motorhome is not just insane, it's revolutionary in its own extreme way. It's bold, powerful, luxurious, and built for those who want the ultimate heavy-duty motorhome experience. If your dream is to explore the world without boundaries, this might just be the ultimate machine to do it in. Don't forget to like and subscribe.